Good morning students. Today we are going to take subject English first standard. Page number is 45. And the topic is let's know new words. Here we are going to learn new words, new letters. Let's start. First letter is V. V for van. V for vegetables. V for violin and V for vulture. Here are pictures and this is the letter V. Now students, we will write these words on blackboard. Now students, observe these words. The letter is V. V for van. This is van. V for vegetables. These are vegetables. V for violin. This is violin. V for vulture. This is vulture. Now we will see in Marathi. Van. Van म्हणजे कार, गाडी. Vegetables. Vegetables म्हणजे भाज्या. Violin. Violin म्हणजे जे वाजवण्यासाठी वापरलं जातं. मराठीमध्ये सुद्धा याला वायलिनच म्हटलं जातं. Vulture. Vulture म्हणजे गिधाड. Now we will see the next letter, that is W. This is W. W for woman. W for watch. W for wall. And W for well. Now students, we will write these words on blackboard. Observe these words. The letter is W. W for, tell me, woman. The next word is W for watch. And the third word is W for wall. And the last word is W for well. Now students, we will see in Marathi. Woman म्हणजे एक स्त्री. Watch. Watch म्हणजे घड्याळ जे आपण हातामध्ये घालतो. Wall. Wall म्हणजे भिंत. आणि well. Well म्हणजे विहीर जी पाण्यासाठी आपण खणतो ती विहीर. Now the third letter is X. This is X. X for X. X for ox. X for mixture. Now students, we will write these words. Word is X. X for, this is X. X for ox. This is ox. And X for mixture. X म्हणजे कुऱ्हाड. ऑक्स म्हणजे बैल. आणि मिक्सचर म्हणजे एकत्रित केलेले मिश्रण. Now the next letter is Y. Here is the one word only, that is yolk. We will write this. This is Y. And the word is yolk. This is yolk. And in Marathi we use this word जोत. नांगरणीसाठी जे वापरलं जातं त्याला जोत असे म्हणतात. Now the last letter is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zip. Now students, we will write these words on blackboard. The letter is Z. Z for zebra. This is zebra. Z for zero. This is zero. Z for zip. This is zip. In Marathi, झेब्रा म्हणजे ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये सुद्धा झेब्रा म्हणतो तो एक प्राणी आहे. झिरो, झिरो म्हणजे शून्य आणि झिप, झिप म्हणजे चेन. Now students, we have learned here 5 letters. Which are they? First one is V, second W, third one is X, fourth one is Y, and the last one is Z. Now we are going to write these words on blackboard. Look at this. This is V. In capital letter, this is V. In small, the size of V is small, but the letter is same. This is V. The second letter is W. Here is the capital letter W and the small w. Both letters are same, but the size of small w is different from size of capital W. The next letter is X. Here also the X is same in capital and small, but the small x is small than the capital letter. And the next one is Y, capital Y, and this one is small y. This is little bit different from capital letter. And the last one is Z. Both Z's are same, but the size of small z is smaller than the size of capital Z. Now students, we will write here the words. V for van. Write down the words in your notebook. V for vegetables. Write down vegetable. V for violin. And the V for vulture. We have learned these 4 words in V section. Now W. W for woman. W for watch. W for wall, and the last word is W for well. This is X. X for axe. X for ox, and X for mixture. Now students, in Y, this is one word only, yolk. And the last letter is Z. In this, there are 3 words. First one is zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zero. And Z for zip. Right. Now students, repeat after me. V for van. V-A-N, van. V for vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. V for violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. V for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. In W, W for woman. WOMAN, woman. W for watch. WATCH, watch. W for wall. WALL, wall. W for well. WELL, well. Now next, X for axe. AXE, axe. X for ox. OX, ox. X for mixture. MIXTURE, mixture. Then Y. Y for yolk. YOKE, yolk. In last letter Z, Z for zebra. ZEBRA, zebra. ZERO, zero. And ZIP, zip. Here we have learned 5 letters and their words also. Now students, you have to practice these all letters and these all words in your notebook. Now we will trace these words in 4-line book. Now we will write these letters in your 4 lines book. Open your notebook. We will write VWXYZ in this 4 lines book. This is small letter, so you have to write these letters in middle 2 lines like this. Now write down V. W. X. Y and Z. Now students, observe these letters. In capital letters we use first 3 lines, but in small letters you have to write these all letters in middle 2 lines. We have to write V in middle 2 lines, W in middle 2 lines, in X middle 2 lines, Y we have used last lines like this, and in Z also we use only middle 2 lines. Now students, practice these all letters in your notebook. Now students, we will solve second question. Look, listen, repeat and enact. बघा, ऐका आणि माझ्या मागे म्हणा आणि करून दाखवा. First picture is about wiping. Look at the picture. Here is the boy. He is wiping. याचा अर्थ तो पुसण्याची ॲक्शन करत आहे. तुम्हीही करा wiping. Very good. Now students, we are going to see this type of pictures, so you have to remember these pictures with their names. Now second picture. Observe this picture. The boy is doing whistling, means he is using whistle. तो शिट्टी मारण्याची कृती करत आहे. तुम्हीही ही कृती करा. Whistle म्हणजे शिट्टी. Remember this picture with its name. Now student, third picture. Look at the picture. Observe this picture. What you have seen? The boy is yelling. Yell. Yell means ओरडणे, किंचाळणे. Do this activity, yelling. Remember this picture with its name. Now students, last picture. Look at this picture. What the boy is doing? He is yawning. Yawning. Yawn याचा अर्थ आळस देणे, जांभई देणे. Do this activity. Now students, remember these pictures with its names. We will play game. Now students, we are going to play a game. Do you remember that pictures with name? Very good. Now I will tell you one name. You have to find out the correct picture. Now tell me the picture of whistle. Observe this picture students and find out the picture which is showing whistle. Correct. This is the correct picture. Now observe another 3 pictures and find out the picture which is showing yell. Find out the picture which is showing yell. Yellचा अर्थ किंचाळणे. Very good. This is the correct picture. Now students, observe all pictures and find out the picture which is showing action wipe. Find out the picture which is showing the action wipe. Wiping. याचा अर्थ पुसणे. Correct. This is the correct picture. It is showing wiping. Now students, find out the picture which is showing yawn. Yawning म्हणजे जांभई देणे. कोणते पिक्चर जांभई देण्याचे ॲक्शन दाखवत आहे? अगदी बरोबर. हे जे पिक्चर आहे यामध्ये हा मुलगा जांभई देत आहे, ज्याला आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये यॉन असे म्हणतो. व्हेरी गुड स्टुडंट्स, यू हॅव डन व्हेरी वेल. नाव स्टुडंट्स, रिमेंबर these actions with these pictures name. Very good students, you have done very well. Now time is for homework. Now students, open your page number 45. Write down all words in your notebook, 4 lines notebook, and trace these all letters in your notebook correctly. You have to write these letters in middle 2 lines. Now students, we will meet again. Bye.